Hello everyone, welcome to your channel CyberSec Live. Couple of days back, we got many requests regarding that which laptops is suitable for them. Many of them are student and some of them are professionals. So let me tell you, I have researched maybe 50 to 60 laptops, and on the basis of their configuration, I have selected 5 to 6 laptops. So let me start with the Dell Vostro 3400, which is for which is coming for 512 GB SSD. It is also coming with the 1 TB HDD, but I will prefer 512 GB SSD. That is more better. And the screen size is 14. It is coming with the i5 11th generation, having the price of 52,690 on Flipkart, and on Amazon that is 53,190. So that is personally recommended from my side, because I will definitely go with this if I have the budget of 50,000. And the more thing is that the best thing is that it has a clock speed of 4.20 gigahertz, and if we could talk about the RAM, it has 8 GB RAM, which can be expandable up to 16 GB, and having 1 TB storage on board. And if we talk about the ports, yes, definitely we have the three ports which we are getting two into USB 3.1 port and one port regarding USB 2.0. And if we talk about the VGA or SDMI, so here we are getting SDMI, and as you know, I mean VGA port is as of now nowadays no company laptop company is giving VGA port. So here is the SDMI on. You can use that. The laptop has claimed battery life of 10 hours. So this is one of the good thing. That's why I can recommend the first thing first that directly you can go with this laptop. Make sure that you are getting this one 512 GB SSD, because there is also many things. I mean there are i3 in this Dell Vostro 3400, there is i5, there is i7, but if you have the range of 50,000, then I will recommend you 512 GB SSD. That will be more better because it's a 10 times faster than HDD. Talking about the second laptop, we have Mi Notebook 14, which is recently launched, and it is coming with the Core i5 of Intel and with the processor 10th generation, having the capacity of SSD 512 GB, RAM 8 GB, which can be expandable up to 16. RAM type we have DDR4. Clock speed is near about 4.2 gigahertz with the turbo boost. If we talk about the OS, we are getting in Windows 10 Home, having 64-bit system architecture. USB port is same, 2 into USB 3.1 and 1 USB 2.0. This is similar to Dell Vostro. Screen size we are getting same 14 inch, and screen resolution you can see this pixel we are getting. Third one we have Asus Vivo VBook, and this is much more you can say more good than the rather than those two. If I talk about if I talk about the model number, you can see the model number series is Vivo Book, and the processor brand Intel Core i5 is the processor name, and having the 11th generation. This is one of the main effect, and SSD capacity is 256 GB plus 1 HDD terabyte storage. I didn't mention in there, but it is. So RAM type we will DDR4, i5 is the processor variant, number of cores is 2, and system architecture is the in every laptop near about it is same Windows 10 Home 64-bit system architecture. USB port, yeah, here it is having some advantage, because we are getting four ports. How? One into USB 3.1 generation type A, that's great, and having type C as well. So you, if you are guys using a type C mobile phone, then it is going it is going to be good for you. And we are getting two USB port of 2.0, one HDMI port, that's the same. So here is the advantage of Asus Vivo Book, which is quite making it different from others. You can say making it unique from the other two laptops, because it has type C. And if we talk about the some price of this, then it is near about 53,500 on Flipkart. And if you definitely before buying this, make sure that you are at least getting the price of this laptop on shop. So it will come near about 50,000. Don't go on that 53,000, because 2 to 4,000, I don't think that matters a lot. So screen size we have talked about 14. Okay, so ASUS VivoBook we have one more that is quite similar, but the range the on Amazon is it is 50,990, but the generation is 10 generation. So it is the same one, but having some little bit the gigahertz is low. Memory storage, it's the same 8 GB RAM we are getting, and it which can be expandable up to 12 GB, and storage we are getting 512 GB SSD. So this display is same. We are getting full HD LED backlit in backlit so that you can work in night as well, because keyboard you can't see in night your keyboard. Graphics is same, integrated Intel Ultra HD graphics. Operating system is Windows 10 Home. Design and battery, so the company is telling that they are getting up to 6 hours of battery life. If it is not, then definitely maybe 2 to 3 hours at least. If we talk about the keyboard, so you can see here, this is the same as I was telling that you will get 3.2 generation 1 type C. So that is one of the benefit of ASUS VivoBook. In others, that is similar to other one, Wi-Fi and dual boot, VGA web camera, right? So we have two laptops on number 5th and 6th, that is HP 15, which is coming with the 42,000 only, and having the AMD Radeon third generation, having 8 GB RAM, 256 GB of SSD, and apart from this you will get 1 TB hard disk. So that is one of the quite impressive from HP. So if you have the low budget, maybe 40,000, then you can go through this one. It's a very good and beautiful laptop. You can see that it's a very beautiful, having 15.6, and this is the only in this only laptop in my these 5 to 6 that is having the screen size 15.6. The graphics are related to Radeon Vega 6 integrated graphics. So this one you can go through if you have budget of 40,000 near about. At the last, we have 6th number HP Pavilion, which is screen touch. So this laptop is a screen touch, and it will come near about 50,000, having i3. So this one is i3 11 generation. But I recommend you, if you are not going for the screen touch, then make sure that you are going for i5 11 generation or 10 generation. So 8 GB 256 GB SSD, 8 GB is the RAM, 256 GB SSD is your storage, and it is Windows 10 Home is your operating system, and the screen size is 14. Weight is near about that's good. I mean 1 pound 1.61 kg. That's not that much heavy. Okay, so that's one we already have discussed. Okay, great. And this series is also coming in i5 with 11 generation. So you can, if you have that much money, you can, if you can put more 5 to 6,000, then you can buy this one i5 one. So that's it, guys. These were the some laptops. I hope that is going to help you, because your budget. Many students who ask me about that, they having the budget of 50,000 maximum. So at the max of 50,000, I just decided these laptops out of 50 to 60 laptops. So from my side, if I will tell you, then you can go with Dell Vesta 3400. And secondly, you can go with this one, Asus X415. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the video, and if you like, then please share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. We'll meet in the next video.